Hello and welcome back, everybody. If you'd like to get Fiverr chat history and you are looking out for a video or guide to do so, today we are exactly doing that. So let's just dive right in and get started. First of all, if you're on a new device, you can install the Fiverr. Go to Play Store for that or your particular app store and go to the search. And once you go to the search, you can just search for Fiverr, type in Fiverr and look out for the app and go ahead and install this Fiverr official app right there. Once it is installed, you can tap on open and grant all the necessary permissions such as notifications and follow up the instructions to go to the login page. So once you are in this, you can just go over, tap on start now and log in into your account with your phone number and everything. And you can get your Fiverr chat history right here. So you can tap on start now and type in your phone number right here and then set up your profile by adding your name and even optionally a profile picture. Once that is done, a screen appears on your screen, which is this one right here for restoring your chat history, which will let you get your Viber chat history. So you can tap on Restore Now to retrieve your messages and it should start downloading and you will be able to see the file. So you can just go over and do so. Just give the necessary permissions, click on Allow and confirm it up. And that is one of the method, or you can manually restore from settings as well. Once you open up your Fiverr on your current device, you can look out for the three dots icon in the bottom right corner and select it, and then go ahead and access your settings from here. Look out for the settings option and go ahead and tap on it. Now once you head over to settings, just go over and tap on account, and within account look out for Fiverr backup. And if your Fiverr backup is not connected, you may need to connect it with your Google Drive or iCloud account first. And just go over and tap on Restore or Backup Now option, and that will get your Fiverr chat history back again. And that is it, everybody. Those are the solutions you can follow up, even if you cannot do so if you have turned on the backup and everything. That then the chat is likely deleted permanently. You cannot retrieve it. But if you have backed up, these are the two methods you can follow. So make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.